Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. If you feel like money slips through your hands, like no matter how much you earn, it never seems to be enough, you're not alone. And it's probably not because you don't make enough money. It's because of habits, small daily behaviors that quietly drain your finances without you even noticing. In this video, we're going to break down 10 bad money habits you need to break if you want to actually move forward financially. Let's start with one of the most common. Habit 1. Spending without awareness. Most people don't actually know where their money goes. Small purchases, daily spending, subscriptions, they add up over time. And because they feel small, they don't feel important. But this is where most money is lost. The fix. Track your spending, even for just a week, because awareness changes behavior. Habit 2. Living at the edge of your income. As income increases, spending increases too. This is called lifestyle inflation. Instead of building wealth, you stay in the same place. The fix. Keep your lifestyle stable, even as your income grows. Habit 3. Avoiding your finances. Many people don't check their accounts regularly. They avoid looking because it feels uncomfortable. But avoidance creates bigger problems. The fix. Face your finances directly. Clarity removes fear. Habit 4. Relying on motivation to save. Saving only when you feel like it doesn't work. Because motivation is inconsistent. The fix. Automate your savings. Make it happen without thinking. Habit 5. Impulse buying. Buying in the moment, driven by emotion, not logic. These decisions are rarely planned and often regretted. The fix. Pause before buying. Give yourself time to think. Habit 6. Not having a clear goal. Without a goal, money has no direction. You spend without purpose. The fix. Define what you're working toward. Savings, freedom, security. Give your money a purpose. Habit 7. Ignoring small expenses. People focus on big purchases, but ignore the small ones. Daily habits. Coffee, apps, subscriptions. These build up quietly. The fix. Review recurring expenses regularly. Habit 8. Not increasing your income. Focusing only on saving has limits. Income growth creates real change. The fix. Invest in skills. Look for opportunities. Think beyond just saving. Habit 9. Using debt casually. Debt used without intention becomes a burden. Interest grows and limits your freedom. The fix. Use debt carefully and only when it serves a purpose. Habit 10. Thinking short-term. Most financial decisions are made for now, not for the future. But wealth is built over time. The fix. Start thinking long-term. Make decisions your future self will benefit from. Now, take a moment. These habits may seem simple, but they are powerful because your financial life is shaped by what you do every day, not occasionally, not once in a while, but daily. You don't need to fix everything at once. Just start with one habit, one change, one decision. Because over time, small changes create big results. And the sooner you start, the faster things begin to shift. So take control, stay aware, and build better habits. Starting today. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.